In today's video, we'll uncover 12 signs a woman likes you, but is consciously trying to hide it. These signals, often subtle and easily overlooked, reveal the complex emotions and attractions you may not be ready to express openly. Stay tuned until the end to discover how to read between the lines of her actions and behaviors. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your thoughts in the comments below. 1. Quick glances. When a woman likes you, but doesn't want it to be obvious, she might steal quick glances at you. These are fleeting moments where she looks at you and quickly turns away when noticed. If you catch her looking your way during a meeting or while hanging out with friends, but she instantly diverts her gaze, it's a classic sign. Pay attention to her eyes. If they flick towards you frequently, it's a telltale sign. To minimize messaging, she responds to your messages, but keeps them brief and sometimes delayed. This could mean she's trying to control her eagerness to talk to you. Her replies are concise, but happen regularly. Despite her attempts to seem disinterested, notice patterns in her response times and the lengths of her messages compared to how she communicates with others. 3. Overcompensating indifference. She may go out of her way to appear disinterested or even slightly aloof during conversations. In group settings, she might talk to everyone, or she might seem dismissive. Look for inconsistencies in her behavior towards you. To others, exaggerated disinterest can be a facade. 4. Protective over personal space. If she likes you, but is hiding it, she might be particularly sensitive about her personal space around you. She avoids sitting too close or seems nervous when you invade her personal bubble. Observe her physical reactions when you or others step into her personal space. 5. Accidental touches. She might touch you accidentally, and often an unconscious sign she wants to be closer. Brushing against your arm in a narrow hallway, or accidentally touching your hand when passing something. Keep an eye out for patterns in these accidental touches, especially if they happen more with you than others. 6. Her friends' reactions. Friends often know about her secret and might act differently around you. Her friends might giggle, whisper, or look at you both when you're interacting. Notice how her friends behave when you're near her or talking to her. 7. Sudden shyness. Even if she's usually outgoing, she might suddenly become shy around you. She stumbles over her words or seems unusually quiet when you're involved in the conversation. Compare her behavior when you're around to when you're not. 8. Interest in your activities. She keeps up with your interest in activities subtly. She knows about a project you're working on or a trip you took recently without you telling her directly. Listen for offhand comments or questions about things you haven't shared directly with her. 9. Adjusting her appearance. She often adjusts her outfit, hair, or makeup, wanting to look her best, tidying her hair or straightening her clothes. Whenever you enter the room, watch her behavior. She sees you coming or unexpectedly bumps into you. 10. Nervous laughter. She laughs nervously around you, especially when there's no obvious joke or humorous comment. A nervous, high-pitched giggle when you say something benign or during a pausing conversation. Pay attention to how her laughter differs with you compared to others. 11. Avoiding mention of other romantic interests. She avoids talking about other potential romantic interests possibly to not discourage you. She's vague about her dating life or changes the subject when it comes up. Observe if she dodges questions or seems uncomfortable discussing this topic. 12. Keen listening. She pays close attention when indicating her interest in you beyond mere politeness. She remembers details from your conversations that even you might have forgotten. Note how she reacts to your stories or comments, especially if she brings them up in future conversations. These 12 signs can be subtle, yet very telling if a woman is interested, trying to keep it under wraps. By understanding these cues, you can better navigate the complexities of attraction and possibly encourage a more open expression of her feelings. If you found this video insightful, please subscribe and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, feel free to suggest any other topics you'd like us to. Thank you for watching.